Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Reddit account on PC. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to www.reddit.com on any browser on your PC. After you log in, you will see your profile icon at the top right of the screen. When you click on it, you'll have to select settings from these menu. Now, when you click on settings, you'll be promoted to your account page. Here you'll have your email address, phone number, password, gender, and all the information related to your account. In this, navigate to the advanced section and click on the delete account button at the bottom of this page. Now, it will show a pop-up saying once you delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit and your posts, comments and messages are disassociated, not deleted from your account unless you delete them beforehand. So in this section, you'll have to enter a reason for leaving Reddit, and in this, you'll have to enter your username. Now, enter your password in the last and click on I understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable and click on delete. After you click on delete, Reddit will ask you again whether you're sure that you want to delete your account. Click on yes, I do want to delete my account. Select delete again and you would have successfully deleted your Reddit account on your PC. So that's how you delete your Reddit account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.